everyone. It is Saturday, July 30th. I am currently, it's like 9 a.m. I am sitting in the parking lot right now eating a sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin from McDonald's and a nice coffee. I'm about to go get my hair done in like 20 minutes. So my voice is like a little raspy sounding because I went out last night with some coworkers and we went to this really cute restaurant. If you're in the Chicagoland area, it's called Tequila. It's in Westmont, Illinois. It is such a cute place and the drinks and the food were amazing, so good. So they had a DJ and like at one point we were like yelling to talk because it was so loud in there, so that's how my voice sounds like I smoked a pack of cigarettes. But yeah, so I'm just eating my breakfast right now and I ate half of my breakfast and I was like, oh my god, I need to start the vlog. So I'm probably gonna include last week's vlog in with this one, just kind of compile it into one. My mom was texting me. I'm just sitting here scrolling through Twitter and I saw that they have like a ton of unsealed documents from the Johnny Depp and the defendant that we shall not name's case. A lot of the documents became unsealed. It was crowdfunded by a ton of people through Twitter and just like a lot of people donated money, and because it cost, I think it was like over $3,000 to get copies of all the unsealed documents. So I forgot what the girl's name was that got them all unsealed, or paid for all of them to be unsealed. It was crowdfunded, so she did end up getting like a surplus of money, and she ended up donating it to the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, and I thought that was so just awesome of them. So she made them public for everybody to have access to them on her website. If I remember it, I'll link it below. But I was going through those Twitter feeds and just reading court documents. I also was watching Emily D. Baker this morning really quickly before I left because I wanted to listen to Emily D. Baker this morning because she's like the legal expert and she knows what she's talking about legally, and I just have been really into all that stuff lately. So again, if you didn't already think that Johnny Depp was innocent, which again I don't understand how you couldn't, but these unsealed documents are continuing to prove that the defendant was the abuser in this case, period, and that domestic violence has no, I don't even know if you can say that. I don't know if we can say the actual word, but DV has no gender, so anyone can be a victim of domestic violence. So it's really, really sad reading the court documents. My heart hurts for Johnny, and it's just like a really, really sad situation. And I've been so invested in like reading about this case. I even read the hundreds of pages of the UK trial because I was so invested into it. I wanted to make sure I had all the facts. I think it's so important to have all the facts, and the facts and evidence were clear as day of who the abuser was in this case. I just have been, this lady like literally zoomed past all these spots, like driving like a crazy person. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I have some content that has to be filmed today, and I also need to get on Amazon and do some shopping. My best friend from high school is getting married in Charleston in October, and her bridal shower is next weekend, so I need to find something to wear to her bridal shower. I haven't been to a bridal shower in forever, so I am like kind of excited to see her because she moved to Charleston and I haven't seen her since August of last year. So yeah, I haven't seen her in a while, but yeah, so I'm really excited for that. So I need to find some stuff on Amazon today. Maybe I'll do like a little shop with me segment if you guys want to see that. I'm trying to get back into vlogging, get back into YouTube. I love YouTube so much. It's definitely like my favorite place to be is YouTube. But anyways, we're gonna go get our hair done. I'm gonna keep my hair dark. I don't want to go blonde. See what we'll do. I don't really want to do highlights this time, but every time I get in the chair I always change my mind, so I am the queen of indecisiveness. And I'm just gonna get a trim, I think. I was gonna cut it off at one point. I'll see what needs to be cut off because I'm always up for like cutting off whatever is like dead, but yeah. All right, let's go. Okay, so I just got back from getting my hair done. Just cut off like an inch or so and then added up some highlights up here and then toned them down so that they weren't too blonde. But I wanted to share with you guys this package that I got from a seller that reached out to me. I will have all of their information linked down below. These are a pair of Dior sneakers, so I'll go ahead and show the unboxing first. So you guys saw me unbox those sneakers. These are them. They are so cute. They are the black Dior sneakers. I love these. I've been seeing them everywhere and I've wanted to get my own pair. They remind me of like high top Converse. I love those, but I love the look of the Dior sneakers. They come packaged so well. Like, these are amazing quality for shoes. Look at how cute they are. And then you also get the little Dior charms that go on the shoe. So cute. Honestly, I probably would even wear them without the charms, but if you wanted to add the charms, they are on there. These shoes came so fast. The quality is great. You do get the dust bag with it, which I think is great as well to store your shoes so they don't get dirty, especially if you're gonna travel with them or anything like that. You have the bag to keep them in. A Dior like bag, if you wanted to keep it, it comes in this box, and then you get like your receipt for the shoes. So pretty, so many good finds on their website. I will link them down below. It'll be annotated here on the screen. My discount code will get you 10% off your order. I will have that information all linked down below in the description box. I will also link the shoes that I get. They also have shoes, bags, anything you can think of over on their website. So definitely check them out. It will be all listed down below. I'm with my mom. She's not gonna be on the vlog. You guys already know she hates being on camera. We're going out to eat a late lunch. We're going to our favorite little place. It's like an Italian pizzeria type place, but we're gonna get some pasta and salad. What? Yeah, they're in my bag. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat now. I'm hungry. I'm wearing my Target shirt and I have my Good American jean shorts on, so let's go get our lunch because I'm starving. I haven't ate anything. Besides this morning I had McDonald's, like a sausage McMuffin. We got a chopped salad. Look how good it looks. We have fresh bread. Mom, vodka pasta. Delicious. It's steaming. I don't know if you can see it.
People say we got it made. Don't remember we're so afraid.
Hello guys, it's later in the day. It's around 4 o'clock actually. I am currently heading over to TJ Maxx. My mom didn't want to go, so I'm currently heading over there to go do a little bit of shopping. I'm kind of looking for a dress or some sort of outfit for my friend's bridal shower next Sunday, and I'm gonna order something on Amazon that I saw, like a few things, but I also always like to have like a backup plan just in case that my Amazon orders come in like what, Monday or Tuesday, and then I don't like them. I like to have like a backup. There's like my town that I live in is doing their like fest this weekend, and it's like all these people. But anyways, I like to have like a backup option because what I think something's gonna look like versus what it's actually gonna look like usually is two different things. So we need to make sure that we have our options open and ready to go. So I'm heading over to TJ Maxx just to see if they have any like cute little casual dresses. Maybe check out the clearance rack because I know like pretty soon they're gonna be making room for those jackets and sweaters and all that stuff for fall because as much as I hate to admit it, fall is coming, and sometimes forget to pull out my camera. So, you know, it's not a Steph vlog if I'm not in my car driving somewhere to go shopping, most likely. A Little Miss always shopping. Have you guys seen any of all those little like Little Miss things? They're so cute and funny. I've seen so many like Jonas Brother ones that like crack me up. But yeah, so I'm gonna go do that. Might do a little pit stop and get a little McDonald's Diet Coke just to fuel us a little bit because I'm feeling tired. I didn't sleep good last night, so I definitely like need to get some sleep tonight for sure. I don't know if I made an intro for my last vlog. I think I did, but I don't remember, so I might have to cut this into that portion of the vlog. But anyways, today is Saturday, August 6th, and I am currently right now heading over to the Hallmark store so that I can go get a bridal shower card for my friend. Her bridal shower is tomorrow, so I am going to go get a card for that, and then I am going to stop over at the bank. I think I might go get Starbucks this morning because I'm feeling a coffee, and I'm gonna get going because I have a lot of stuff that has to be done today, and I need to stop procrastinating. But it's not a Stephanie vlog without me driving. My card from Hallmark, pick something out. I will try to record with you guys. I always get really shy to vlog in public, but and then I'm going to meet my friend. Her bridal shower, there's a man that sits on this step every day outside, and he always waves at everybody, so I just waved. That's why I was waving. And then I'm gonna go meet my friend is actually in town because she moved to South Carolina, so she actually came up obviously because her bridal shower is tomorrow, so we're gonna go grab lunch today just to like catch up and stuff, because tomorrow it's like, it's the bridal showers for her, so she's obviously not gonna have time to like sit and talk the whole time. So we're gonna go get lunch today, which I'm excited. We're going to like a local spot. Actually, the place that me and my mom went to last weekend for lunch is the place we're gonna go for lunch today because it's just so good. It's like Italian food, but they have really good salads. Anyways, I'm rambling. But yeah, so that is what I'm doing. I had a rough week this week at work, and just kind of like in a like mental rut at the moment, but we're just gonna try to make the best of the situation and, you know, just try to do our best. That's all we can do at the end of the day. I don't want my camera to fall. But I am gonna go get a coffee, I think, because I haven't had a Starbucks coffee in a few days. So I feel like I'm trying to cut back the Starbucks because I have it so often, and it's just a waste of money when I can make coffee at home, you know? But I would really want coffee today, so I'm gonna go get some.